If you're a woman struggling with bloating, cravings, low energy, or stubborn belly fat, this might surprise you. The solution might not be another diet, pill, or workout plan. It might be something as simple as salt. Not just any table salt, but pink Himalayan salt. This mineral-rich salt contains over 84 trace elements like magnesium, potassium, and calcium that your body actually needs to function, heal, and restore balance. When used the right way, pink salt can support digestion and gut health, reduce water retention and bloating, balance hormones and cortisol levels, boost metabolism, soothe cravings linked to mineral deficiencies. It's not magic, it's minerals your body's been begging for. And the best part? You can start with one simple ritual each morning. Just warm water plus pink salt, a little natural reset. But there's a specific way to do it, with timing, recipes, and science-backed rituals. That's why I recommend you check out this book, The Pink Salt Trick Guide by Tony Taylor. Inside, you'll find 101 healing recipes, detox drinks, fat-burning salt rituals, and a 21-day plan that has helped thousands of women feel lighter, calmer, and more in control, naturally. You can grab a free copy right now on Mayo Book, link is in the description below. You can as well find the book on Amazon, Apple Store, and other retailers' website. If your body's been whispering for balance, maybe this is your invitation to listen.